The company is American Motors, but following the merger with Renault, it is now 46% French, with a French president, French investment money, and now a French-designed car called the Alliance. 6 months ago, AMC had 2 plants shut down, and no one on the assembly line in Kenosha. Today, it is back on double shifts with 8,500 rehired factory workers who know the stakes are high.
They realize this is their bread and butter, and if this car doesn't sell, we're not going to be going anywhere, are we? They're not going to have jobs. How are they going to feed their families?
The market surveys say Americans are buying Japanese because of quality. So the French have brought robots here, 25 of them to the Kenosha assembly line to compete.
This system's designed for quality and high-speed production. But the robots repeat themselves exactly each time. So therefore, we're building the quality in at the same rate we do the first cars, we will do the 100,000th car.
Behind the optimism is underlying desperation, as employees and management realize that the failure of the Alliance could mean the collapse of AMC.
You're building more than a car here, aren't you?
Yes, they are. They're building the future, really.
Jim Avila for ABC News, Kenosha, Wisconsin.